Oh, hello there. I'm just cooking some food in my microwave, having a TV dinner. I was thinking about going to McDonald's, but I don't know. I already went there today. Why is it when you go to McDonald's and you eat like a cheeseburger or 6-piece, with barbecue sauce, it's like an hour or two I'm hungry again. Why is it? I'm just cooking a meal in my Cuisinart Microwave. I think I said that already. Now, I bought this microwave for only $100, and it was a refurbished microwave. Yeah, why buy brand new when you get refurbished products? I got a mixer over there too, a Cuisinart mixer. I hardly ever use the damn thing. And it was like a $400 mixer. I got it for $200. It was refurbished. Might have a little bit of dent in it or whatever, but you don't have to always get brand new. Of course, I bought that food chopper over there brand new. I paid $200 for that. That's also a Cuisinart. I only used it once. Why did I ever buy it? Yeah, this Cuisinart microwave is all stainless steel inside. It's not like your typical white interior where after a while it'll end up peeling. This is all stainless steel inside, so you don't have to worry about that. So just waiting for it to cook away. Cooking away, come on, baby. Yeah, today's my day off. Usually Wednesday and Thursday I have off. And I look forward to my days off, I tell you. Always look forward to them. It's almost done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hate that buzzer sound. Oh, it drives me nuts. Alright. Alright. Food. Real man's food. Alright, let me see here. Let me get, I just cut it with this thing here. Let's see, cut this here. Put this meat here. Yeah, if it's even real meat. There's a TV dinner. Let's see here. Get a little bit of butter. Get this thing open. You know what? I should get a clean food. I'm messing up again. Messing up again with my dialogue. You know what I'm saying? Messing up again with my dialogue, baby. Alright. Now, put a little salt in here. Ooh, this stuff is good. You ever try this stuff? I'll get this damn cap on here. You ever tried this stuff? Stuff is good. I like that stuff. And this stuff too is good. What's that? What's that thing? Oh, wait a minute. Where's that salt? Where's that salt that I usually use? Did I throw away the thing? Oh yeah, this stuff right here. I kept the, why didn't I just, no, it's alright. Just put it in there. This stuff is good too. That seasoning, oh my god, this stuff is so good. That was good too. Okay, well, this in here. And I am all set. And I'm gonna, wait a minute, I'll put some of that on here. The stuff I showed you. Not the Goya, but the other seasoning. Alright folks. I don't know if you'll want to watch this video. It might be boring. I'm not sure, you know. Hey, take chances. Don't always have to review everything. Maybe this was a review for the microwave. I don't know. I'll show you what the microwave looks like inside before I go. Here it is. Cuisinart. Look at that. All stainless side. You don't have to worry about any peeling. It's microwave. Probably like 5 years old already. I use it all the time. Cuisinart. And this mixer too. It's got a timer on it. I ever hardly use the damn thing. I bought that. Probably used it once or twice, but okay folks. Just a little bit of entertainment there. Well, like I always say, I hope I don't drop this. Alright. View, like, share, and subscribe.